So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will unbox three things. Actually, I want to update my laptop webcam with something more professional. So that's why I bought this from Logitech, which is Brio 500. And also I bought two mounts from Elgato, and without any further ado, let's try to unbox them to see exactly what we have here in this. So let's see what we have in this box, because for sure I don't know exactly what we have here. So we have a Solid Arm from Elgato. Okay, it's great. I want to see it more in more details. Okay, so we have here the mount of the camera. I like that it's movable, and I could put camera here, and also that it's it could be mount over another Elgato arm. So this is what I like more about this, and that's why I bought it. Okay, let's move the box around, put this here, and now let's see what I have in this big box from Elgato. This should be the support of the smaller arm that I have there, which is a Solid Arm from Elgato. And now I have the Master Mount, the Elgato Master Mount L. Now let's see what I have here. So we have a spec of this arm, which is great. We have here a desk mount, which is also great, and this is telescopic. So okay, this could be, which is great. So it's good that it's pretty large, and for sure it's super large. I guess that it's also okay. So this it's unscrewed from here, but for sure, because what I see from this, it's three-way telescopic. So this 1, 2, 3, and for sure I could find the right height for it. Okay, and yeah, also I have here a possibility to mount a light from Elgato, which is also cool. And in here, I was not expecting to have this, not yet, but I need it for sure, because I will put the camera cable around this, and I want it to be neat. Okay, this is one with all the things that we have here. Now let's see what we have in the camera itself. So it's a Brio 500 from Logitech, which is an 180p 30 frames per second, 720p 60 frames per second, which is a full HD webcam, which with HDR. Okay, so we have 4 megabytes with colleague over video using this 4 megapixel, sorry, with 90 degrees views and 180p resolution. HDR technology and convey every words. So it has dual mix with noise reduction to ensure your sound clear and natural, which is good. Okay, let's also unbox this to see what we have here. So what do we have here? So we have the camera itself. This, I believe, is the way to connect the camera to what I have, which is great. Okay, so we have this. I've let it there. It's not very useful to me. And this is the cable, which is not detachable, which is a big no-no, but this is it. So we have a camera over here and also cover. I believe this is the light, and those are the 2 mics, and this is it. So we have an USB Type-C camera, and also in the box we will have the monitor support, which is not very useful to me at this very moment because I'm not needing it. Let's open it just to see if I could use it somehow, but I don't think so. So yeah, this is here, this is here, and also this thing. And we have here a rubber. This is a way to mount it over the monitor. And see here we have a double-sided tape. As I said, not very useful to me at this moment. I don't need it. Okay, without any further ado, I'll try to mount everything and came up with how it looks over my setup. So yeah, bear with me please. Hello again. This is how I mount the camera. So Logitech Brio 500. So I put the big mount from Elgato here, telescopic one here, and the small one here, and also together with the cable clips I put it one here and one here, and connected to the laptop via USB Type-C in the back of the laptop here. This is, I believe that it could be visible. And now if you want to see the camera itself, so you could activate it like this, and if you want to see it exactly how it sees, we could go to the camera like this. So yeah, this is it, and here we could have the settings. So we have the rule grids, the golden ratio, crosshairs, square, off, open camera system. Yeah, this is it. I have this here the possibility to change its frames. And also some other things. So I do this. As you could see, this is the camera itself, and I hope that this helps you with all the details that you'll need over the mount, and also use the cover when I don't need it. So without any further ado, if you like this video, don't hesitate to like it. If you dislike it, why not? If you want to ask me more about the camera itself or the Elgato mounts, don't hesitate to ask. Without any further ado, thank you for viewing my videos, and cheers, bye, have a great day.